The color red is associated with many different ideas, but most people can narrow it down to two different things: love and violence. The purpose of the following experiment is to determine if men and women are truly influenced by their gender and their biological difference. If a person was asked whether they think of love or violence when hearing the color red, then females will think of love and males will think of violence. The population used for this specific experiment were 60 randomly picked Dominican University students that were in the Pinafore and Fangio halls at random times. The control group consisted of 15 males and 15 females who were asked what they associate the color red with. The experimental group also consisted of 15 males and 15 females and was asked whether they thought of love or violence when hearing the color red. The independent variable was the color red. The dependent variable were the answers given by the different subjects in the experimental group. Data was collected by a one-question survey that was randomly given to people throughout the dorms. The first step, like any experiment, was to have the subject fill out a consent form that asked if they were willing to participate, told them if they could withdraw at any time, and asked if they were willing to be pictured. After receiving the participants' consent, they were isolated from the surrounding people to make their answer completely unbiased. The next step taken was they were asked one question. As the subjects gave their answers were recorded. Then the subjects were thanked for their participation. The question asked of the control group was, what do you associate the color red with?
Love. Taylor Swift.
Blood.
Passion?
I think both anger and love.
Death.
Okay.
Blood.
My high school.
Okay.
Anger.
Okay.
Love.
Okay. Flag. Blood.
Blood.
Okay.
My hair.
Blood.
Passion.
How about love?
The question asked of the experimental group was, when you hear the color red, do you think of love or violence?
Love.
Fine.
Okay.
I feel like I actually think of kind of both, but I would probably think love first.
Love.
Neither?
Violence.
Me, I'd have to say, I don't think it was violence.
Violence?
It's because I come from, really bad. Why?
The hypothesis was proven to be inconclusive because the results varied and a conclusion could not be drawn.